Hey lovelies, this is Annie with Annie Marie. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this product I got from Amazon, and I'll be using my Brother SE600 and a beautiful red beanie to test it out. I will be customizing this beautiful red beanie, making it look more beautiful, just like this. So if this is something you're interested in, then don't go anywhere. So I was experiencing difficulties hooping high-pile towels, beanies and caps during embroidery, and after a good research I decided to buy this product. It came highly recommended and I chose this particular brand for its affordability and good qualities. I buy 99% of my sewing and embroidery supplies from Amazon, and I got this for $20.99, and this is exclusive of shipping, VAT and custom duties. This is NewBrothread Self-Adhesive Tearaway Embroidery Stabilizer. It is medium weight, 12 inches by 10-yard roll, and we'll be using it now. Here I have my red beanie, my repositioning hoop, my 3-in-1 thread stand for multicolor embroidery, and the NewBrothread Self-Adhesive Tearaway Embroidery Stabilizer. I will remove the transparent nylon seal around it and show you what it looks like. The roll, like I said earlier, is 12-inch by 10-yard roll. It has a shiny side and a peppery white side. I'll measure out the size slightly bigger than the hoop size, and I'll cut it out now. Now I'll be hooping it with a shiny white side at the top and the dull peppery white side at the bottom. So this is the shiny white part at the top. You can see it, and this is the dull pepper side at the bottom. So I'll go ahead and score the upper part to expose the adhesive underneath it. So I used my scissors to open a small part. You can see it. You can use any sharp object, but be careful not to cut open the stabilizer. I'll go ahead to expose the remaining part of the stabilizer, keeping the cut-offs safe for other smaller projects. Now, if you're familiar with sewing and embroidery, you will know that we don't like wasting expensive items. So this is how it looks once you're done peeling away the paper. I'll go ahead now to hoop the beanie. So before hooping the beanie, I took into consideration the size of my design, the width and the height, and made sure the beanie is well centered. I'm using a multicolored embroidery design, which means there is going to be a whole lot of color changing in this embroidery design. So I'm going to speed up the process, but I'll be showing you the snippets as we go. So I've gone ahead to change some colors. Remember, I'm using a repositioning hoop, so I'm changing the position of the hoop now to complete the project, and I'll soon be done with it. So this is like the last part of the design, and I just finished it. So I'll go ahead to remove the design from the hoop, and let's see the end results together. And there we have it. I think it came out perfect. The stitch out is good. I'll go ahead to remove the extra stitches and threads that came up, but so far what I'm seeing here looks okay. So I used white bobbin threads. If you want to blend in the colors, you can use red bobbin threads or black bobbin threads, but I used white because this is a beanie. Okay, I'm going to be folding it over and nobody is going to be seeing the underside. The main thing is for the stitching to come out beautiful, and it did. So for the NewBrothread Self-Adhesive Tearaway Embroidery Stabilizer, I'm going to give it a 95. All right, should I give it 100? You tell me, but this is really good. Okay, I'm going to be buying it again once I run out of this one. It gave me a good stitch out, it gave me something good, and I like it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, share it, and of course subscribe to my channel. Until later, lovelies. Ciao.